Hello, in front of me I've got ROBOROCK Qrevo. In this video I'll tell you what things you should clean on your automatic robot to maintain properly functioning. In the beginning you have to clean main brushes every 2 weeks and replace them every 6 to 12 months. Next you have to clean side brush. Clean monthly and replace every 3 to 6 months. Next, we've got Omnidirectional wheel. Clean it as required. Also, same with the main wheels. And dustbin. Washable filter you have to clean every 2 weeks and replace every 6 to 12 months. Mop cloths clean as required and replace every 1 to 3 months. Robot sensors, front and rear, clean as required. Dirty water tank, also clean as required. And charging contacts, clean as required. Charging contacts are located inside the charging dock and at the back of the robot. In the end, you have to clean tray module as required and replacing disposable dust bag as required. Tray module is located under the robot when it's inside the charging dock, and disposable dust bag is located right here on the back of your charging dock. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.